Today, I'm going to experience the Palwa ride, which is Palwa comes from the coconut branch. So they are made by that one. So we're going to ride, me and my friend. So experience the Palwa ride here in province of Negros Oriental. So we're gonna have the safety first.
Parang seatbelt.
So we have our seat belt ready to have our experience for this Palwa ride.
Relax
So it's very quick ride, not really a long time.
Relax sa harapan yung
So
seatbelt.
it's just a safety
Tapos
first.
relax sa
And then it's my first time
likuran.
also to have experience with this native entertainment Palwa ride in the province.
Oh my God! Humihiyak yung tiyan ko.
Ay, wala ka dayon sa ingon sa ganak overacting.
Uy, klaro ni Mudong. Uy, lumigaya lang kami ng sandali. Balik ka. We're going to do the unseat belt. Okay, push the bottom.
Push the button.
Buckle up. Parang correct. And then press the thing there. Going now. Wow, that's very quick, enjoyable moment. Ayan, dito kami sa store nila. Merong drinks at snack dito. Saka may ice cream dito. Inom. Yan, yung mga native snack nila dito.
Ayan. Spaghetti dai. 14,
Yeah.
35 dito dai.
Inom kami ng coconut. We're going to drink coconut water because we are thirsty.
Sa kokon ay manghihikudaan sa.
Layo. Ito yung women's CR. Ito yung men's